These are men at work. I just arrived from Manda Island. This is where Lamu has been expanding through. Now there's a lot of building around in Lamu has developed. This is bricks they got from Manda Island, that side, the opposite island of Lamu. They bought it from there and bring to Lamu to build, and these are donkey ready to carry them and supply to the instruction sites. See, all this material are all collected from the other island. This is Lamu. See the boat. This is how we build our island. Now, you see, there's a stone house. All these stones, they've been carried by those boats from Manda Island. This is Lamu Island. That's how we expand our island. More villages, more wards has been built. See this boat, the big boat. This is a tourist. It's a long time, 80s. This kind of boat were used in Lamu as a cargo, to bring cargo from Mombasa, Zanzibar, Somalia, to Lamu. There were few lorries and few trucks to carry cargo, so they use this dhow to bring cargo in Lamu. All stuff of all kind of stuff, like for all kind of stuff, food stuff. Now it's no longer used. Now it's a tourist attraction. Tourists are being they hire it and they go for sunset or long trip in other islands. This is Lamu Island, Aboud Mohamed Kombo. Thank you.